Good morning, YouTube. You're all welcome to Johnny's Garden Maintenance. Hope you're all doing well. I had a few sound difficulties today, guys. My microphone didn't work. Well, I forgot to turn it on. So I'm just going to voice over this intro, let you know what I'm doing. So today I'm going to be trimming this Berberis hedge that goes around the perimeter of the house. It would absolutely cut the hands off you. So there's thorns in it, at least 5 centimeters long. So watch your hands on the Berberis, guys. Neil's going to be mowing the lawn. I'm going to be putting an edge on the lawn, and then around the backyard we will be trimming some cherry laurels, some variegated privet, and just some bits and pieces. I think there's some camellia there, and a little oak. So I hope you enjoy.
back here, guys. We're just going to be, Neil's going to be cutting this garden. I'm going to be hitting these laurels. Just trimming them up. God, it's warm today. Whew. So, nearly done out the front now.
good, you're good, hey?
Thanks for pounding me.
I'm talking about you. What about grass? I was cutting the grass, and if you look closely, you could see the lines where they were running vertical up and downhill, and I choose to cut it horizontally. Why would you do this? Well, from a technical standpoint, you should be cutting grass from a different direction every time. The grass, and you cut plenty of hedges, you know these things have a memory. Even if it is turgid, like it's got nice water standing up, it's first thing in the morning, you're not going to get a good clean cut on it. It's better that each time you cut it from a different direction. I hope, because again, we'll come back to the same problem. Memory and grass lying down and you're not getting a good clean cut on it. If you're not getting a good clean cut in your grass and it's lying down, you're going to get more fats, you're going to get more moss. All that'll start to build up. You'll get a spongy old lawn. Personal preference as well, I suppose. If you want to cut it like that and you keep it regular, from a professional point of view anyway, always change the direction of your cuts each cut. Change the direction in your cuts straight up the centre of your lawn, and then that way you'll know. Next time you can work this way, you can work this way. Just makes the whole process a lot easier.
That was actually my first ever Berberis hedge I cut, and I'll tell you what, I hope it's a last. The foliage intertwining with each other, just really rough, really hard to shape as well. But we've it done, so I'll just swing it round and let you see. Then we aged the lawn. You can't see for dumpy bags. Neil giving her a taxi. And there's the outside. So as I say, really tough hedge to cut. Never cut one in my life. So you learn a wee bit every day when you're out and about in the garden, folks. As I learned today, just don't want to cut Berberis again.
Like if anybody has a Berberis hedge, you probably planted it for a reason. That's probably teenagers, because there's nothing better to keep teenagers away from your house or your walls than a Berberis hedge.
100%. I was sitting last night in the house, me and Jennifer, as we do, and I turned on YouTube. It's one of my subscriptions. Top man he is, really knowledgeable, honest, down to earth. Maxwell's grass cutting services. You give us a shout out on your video. You didn't have to. Rob, absolute legend. We really appreciate it, lad. You're a gentleman. So, Rob, from me and Neil, we just want to say, when the green gold's growing, keep mowing.